This is Paul Singh, the market speculator with bullsonwallstreet.com with the weekly swing trade report for August 29, 2016. Let's look at SPY here. A lot of volatility here, 216 to 219 post Yellen. Now that's out of the way, and we can focus on these key levels here. That's the 9 moving average, the all-time highs here at 220, and the 50-day moving average. If we get a breakdown here, we could potentially start shorting. If we get up over the 9, we stay slightly bullish. If we get over 220, we'll get much more bullish. So now it's not necessarily what was said during the Fed meeting, it's how price reacts to that. That's going to set us up for the week. A lot of volatility there. Let's go over a trade here that I took on Friday. A lot of you saw it already. It was in the middle of the intraday report that I had sent out here. You can see here there was a big reaction on initial reaction when the speech was released here, and this is what I call the fade the Fed trade. The initial reaction is to pull back hard, and then we're looking for that reversal signal, which we got right in here. I think when I was recording the video, we were already up to here, and I was taking profits, getting out of the trade. But this is a slam dunk trade. Only happens 3 or 4 times a year, but when it does, you can really load up on this trade. Now back to swing here. Let's talk about some of the key sectors. Biotech. Now this pullback here is because of Hillary's comments, and sometimes these things tend to be short-lived. We can see here we're holding these moving averages. This is going to be key. If it breaks down below here, we can end up shorting. But if we come back up and this ends up being a momentary blip, we will look to trade biotech. Oil, we had this fantastic trade here, which we timed perfectly. Now oil is consolidating, and we're going to look for that next position, and the easy trade would be a breakout of this recent high here. Now financials, you can see here, has held up really well and has actually shown some relative strength. So if financials continue to hold, we can trade FAS. Now let's go over 2 actionable setups. We've got CLVS here, breakout consolidating. A breakout over 25 would set up the next run here, and there's a lot of room to move. You can see this is really beaten down here. It was at one point all the way up to 100, and the gap fill is not till 100, but we wouldn't be playing it that far. But if we get a break of 25, maybe we get a run to 30, and then the FANGs have been holding up really well. Amazon here broke out 9 or 10 point range on Friday, and we could look to get in today. And if it can break 775, we should have a nice run to 800. So that's it for the weekly swing trade report. I will see you guys next week. Don't forget, there's the swing trade alerts here. You can see here, this was the morning report. We've got the focus list, my current trades, and some extended stocks here. You get the trade alerts. And if you go to swing trade alerts here, you can sign up for $99 a month. And there's a fantastic annual plan for only $5.99 a year. That's 50% off.